Apple, we all know the company and its rival, Microsoft. But what if I was to tell you they are both the same? Why, you may be asking. They are both clearly separate companies, right? Well, that would be true if you left out one important question. If Apple built a house, would it have windows? And I believe the answer to this is simply because Microsoft is Apple. Microsoft is within Apple. Think about it: when you get an apple, it's hard on the outside, but then you bite into it and it gets softer. Did you hear that? Softer, Microsoft. That can't be a coincidence. Microsoft is literally the softness inside an apple. Microsoft is inside Apple. Microsoft is App. Evidence 2. Now, let's ask ourselves what a house is. Google defines a house as a building for human habitation, especially one that consists of a ground floor and one or more upper stories. Nowhere in that definition does it mention a window. But this next part is the crazy part, because if we Google the definition of a window, we get an opening in the wall or roof of a building or vehicle, fitted with glass in a frame to admit light or air and allow people to see out. Nowhere is a house mentioned. Do you get it? Windows are not all houses because the windows are in fact within the house. Microsoft is within Apple, and I have proof. Evidence 3. Let's dive deeper into who made Microsoft. That would be Bill Gates, who is 1.77 m. and Steve Jobs, who is 1.88 meters, made Apple. Bill is smaller than Steve, meaning Bill is able to fit inside of Steve. Microsoft is able to fit inside Apple. Still not convinced? Okay, then answer me this. Why do we call it Microsoft? Micro means extremely small, small enough to fit into Apple. So to answer the question, no, because the windows would be within the house.